Brand new season is coming, autumn. Honestly, I feel like this is the perfect time to refresh our fashion and beauty routine. The weather gets calmer, the festivals are right around the corner, and of course, our outfits and skincare need a little seasonal update. So today, let's talk about the do's and don'ts of autumn fashion, what to wear, what to avoid, and how to style yourself beautifully this season. Let's start with fabrics because honestly, they decide how comfortable you feel all day. Do go for light but cozy fabrics, cotton silk blends, khadi, linen, or even chiffon layered with the shrug. These fabrics are breathable for daytime, but they also keep you warm in the breezy evenings. Imagine a cotton silk kurta with light embroidery, stylish yet season appropriate. Don't stick to monsoon fabrics like polyester or super sheer chiffon. They were perfect when humidity was high, but now the air is getting cooler. Thin fabrics can make you feel underdressed, especially for festive evenings. Autumn is the season of colors, but in a different way. Do lean into earthy and festive shades. Think mustard yellow, deep maroon, olive green, beige, and even jewel tones like royal blue or emerald. These colors not only match the autumn vibe, but also photograph beautifully during festivals. Prints like block prints, floral motif, and geometric designs add elegance. Don't wear dull or washed out shades. Very pale color might feel too summery, and all black outfits can feel heavy or flat for this season. Of course, black looks chic, but balance it with the pop of festive color or a statement jewelry. Do try festive footwear like embroidered jutis, block heel, or even stylish wedges. They are comfortable for long festive nights and look great with both western and ethnic outfits. Closed toe shoes are also a good choice as the weather turns cooler. Don't overuse your monsoon rubber sandals or crocs. They look out of place once the rains are gone. And definitely avoid very high heels if you are planning to attend Navratri dances or Diwali parties. You will regret it halfway through the night. Accessories are the easiest way to transition into autumn style. Do carry festive friendly accessories, oxidized earrings, chunky bangles, colorful scarf, embroidered potly bags, or trendy clutches. These small details instantly elevate your look. A bright scarf over a simple kurta can completely transform your outfit. Don't go overboard with heavy layering during daytime. The afternoons are still warm, so keep it minimal for the day and go glam in the evenings. And of course, leave behind your rainy season waterproof bags. They have served their purpose. Do experiment with festival hairstyle, braid with accessories, sleek buns, or soft curls. Autumn weather is less humid, which means your hairstyle actually lasts longer. This is the perfect time to try those looks you avoided in the monsoon. Don't stick to the same messy ponytail or frizz control tricks from rainy days, and avoid using too much hairspray or heavy products. The cooler air doesn't require so much product buildup. Skin also feels the seasonal shift. Do hydrate with the lightweight moisturizer and never skip sunscreen. Even though the sun feels softer, UV rays are still strong. For makeup, autumn is the time for warm shades. Think terracotta eyeshadows, berry lipsticks, and soft highlighters that glow under festive lights. Don't over mattify your skin. Matte looks perfect for summer, but in autumn it can make your face look flat. Instead, go for a natural. Since autumn overlaps with our festive season, here's the bonus tip. Plan outfits that are reusable. For example, a simple kurta can look festive with heavy jewelry for Diwali, but also work as a casual look for office or college later. Mixing and matching is key. So yes, autumn is coming with cooler weather, festive vibes, and a whole new set of style rules. These were some simple do's and don'ts to help you transition smoothly from monsoon to autumn. Now, I want to know which festival are you most excited about dressing up for this season? Navratri, Diwali, something else? Tell me in the comments, and don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more seasonal fashion and beauty tips. Stay stylish, and I'll see you in the next video.